Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this tank top. I've seen it a lot on Pinterest and I thought that I needed one. But why buy it in store when you can make it yourself, especially since it's so easily done. I will also show you how to make such a print. You can find the pattern of this tank top in the description below. So let's get into it. First, we need to print out the pattern. After that, we check the size of a test square. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. Next, we connect the sheets using transparent tape and cut out all the pattern pieces. For this top, I took this ribbed fabric. You can take any fabric of your choice. The main thing is that the fabric should be stretchy. I lay out pattern pieces on the fabric and trace them. Then I cut them out. We align the front and back pieces right sides together and pin them. Then we stitch the shoulder and side seams. I'm using an overlocker, but if you don't have one, use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine. I'm also finishing the bottom edge. Now we need to make a bias tape, with which we will finish the neck and armholes. To do this, we measure the armholes and the neck. To the obtained values, we add 2 centimeters for seam allowances. For armholes, I cut out 2 strips 52 cm long and 6 cm wide each. For the neck, I cut out a strip 43 cm long and 6 cm wide. We pin together the ends of the strips and make a straight stitches 1 cm from the edge. Then we pin our bias tapes to the top. We make straight stitches 1.5 cm from the edge, slightly pulling on the fabric. Now we bend the edges and make basting stitches. I also do a basting stitch on the bottom edge. We make straight stitches about 1 mm from the edge. Then we cut off the excess. Our top is done. It remains only to make a print. To do this, I will need acrylic spray paint. This is a special textile paint that doesn't wash off after washing. And I also need a stencil. I printed the picture on thick paper. And now I'm cutting it with a safety knife. I put sheets of paper inside the top so that the paint doesn't get imprinted on the other side. I also put sheets of paper wherever the paint can get. And of course, I forgot to turn on the camera when I was painting. And I also ran out of paint, so I'll finish painting with batik. Now we need to let the paint dry. The next day I washed it in the washing machine at 30 degrees. And our tank top is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know below if you enjoyed this tutorial and see you in the next videos.